Welcome back students in your e-learning classes which is arranged by Bardwan Model School, and I am your Manushi ma'am taking to your KG mathematics class. So last few days we have learned about place value that you know, and last day we have learned about this place value. We have done some activity also in our live classes. So today also we are practicing some activity with this place value. Okay. So today our activity is today we will know that how to write the place value in words. Okay. So look at students. Or you can see that place value in the numbers. Place value of the numbers in words. Okay, can you see this place value of the number in words? So look at this. Here I have already made two columns as usual, tens and ones, and I have written some numbers. Okay, randomly written some numbers. That is, here is few numbers I have written, and I want to show you that how to write these numbers in words. Okay, you can write these numbers in words, and in this class, if in this class you have these two places like ones and tens, you just write about from 10 to 99 you can write in this way, or also 1 to 9 also, these are single digit number, you can write also. And how to write this 2-digit number in words, that today I will show you. So students, first you can see this, the number is, first I have written this in ones and tens, already written, and I have written these numbers, this 14, how to write in words. Look at here, I have written here 1, 10, 4 ones. Okay students, 1, 10, 4 ones. Okay. So next number is 1, 6, 16. Okay. As you know, 1, 6, 16. So how to write 1, 6, 16 in this their place value? Yes. Now I am writing 1, 10, 6 ones. Look, 1, 10, 6 ones. Okay. So next number is 21. So you know 21 means 2 tens. First you have to see this 2 tens. Okay. So first you write 2 tens, 1 ones. Look, 2 tens, 1 ones. Look this. After number 21, after here is written 22. Okay. So 22, how we will write in words? I know and I hope you all are saying with at your home, actually, like 2 tens, 2 ones. Look, 2 tens, 2 ones. Okay, can you see this? 2 tens, 2 ones. So next number is here 25. Same, you can write this 25. So how we will write? 2 tens, 5 ones. Okay, 2 tens, 5 ones. Look, 2 tens, 5 ones. And the last number of here is 32. Yes, 32. Okay students, 32. How we will write this 32? So 32 means 3 tens. Okay, if that the live class you can also say with me. I know you all are knows about this, and you are practicing at your home that 1 tens, 10 objects makes 1 ten, 2 tens means 20, 3 tens means 30, 4 tens means 40. You know this. So here is 32. So that means 3 tens. You know this. So 3 tens, 2 ones. Yes, 3 tens, 2 ones. Can you see this? So 3 tens, 2 ones. So like 32. Okay. So you, in this way, you can write from 10 to 99, all these 2-digit numbers, you can write this in words of their place value. Okay. So 1 to 9, these are single digit number. You can write also this, and these 2-digit number like from 10 to 99, these 2-digit number, you can write this their place value in words, and you can write, you can do the numbers place in there in these two places. First you can make these two columns, ones and two, and after this you will put them in their particular their column, and after that you will do this. So it is our today's activity. So I hope you all are practice at your home and do at your home. So next day we will meet in another video. So till then, you are safe at your home. Goodbye, students.